Was actually so easy because okay guys, so this is my second project German, because when you will be recording your progress you get to know yourself more. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I will be doing something new, something different. So from last few days last few months I was learning some of the topics of full stack development and was just learning, not doing any of the projects. So I thought let's do those projects, stop procrastinating. So today I will be giving myself 3 days 3 JavaScript project challenge so that I can do those projects in straight 3 days and done with this thing. So yeah, let's see I can do this challenge or not. So here we go. Okay, so it's day 1 of my project. Today I will be going to make drum kit. The environment is all set so that I can able to sit for 3 to 4 hours to complete this project today only. It's already 9 p.m. It's already 9 p.m. So now I will be going to start the project. The interesting fact about this project is today I will be going to add some of the instrumental sounds which I am actually doing for the first time, and also the user not able to produce those sounds by clicking on the buttons, but also they can produce the sound by using the keyboard. So yeah, let's see how many hours this project will take. So let's start. Okay guys, so I am just done with my project. It's already 11:59. So yeah, actually the project won't take so much time, but I'm stuck with some of my silly mistakes. So this is my project. I have named this project the drum kit. I have added some of the random alphabets. This alphabet doesn't mean anything. So when you will be clicking on the alphabet, it will produce some of the sounds which I have added, instrumental sound. Something like when I will be clicking on W, produce this sound A. I have also added some of the animations like the red as will turn into the white when I will be clicking on that, and it will also show which button I am clicking, some of the animations. The interesting fact is I can also use this drum kit by using my keyboard, like when I will be clicking on W, A, S, it will produce these of the sounds. So yeah, it's day 2. Okay, so what project today I will be making? Today I am going to make a translator app in which user can input any of the English word or sentence, and the app will convert those sentences into a translate into a German language. So guys, I'm done with my project. The API is so much interesting thing I can't even explain. So yeah, now I will show you how my project looks. Okay guys, so this is my second project, German Accent Translator. The CSS quite looks good, right? So I will be putting some of the text here, like how are you guys doing? Hope you are enjoying this video. And when I will be translating this, so see, it's the German language. It's day 3 already. Oh god guys, I am not in a mood to make a big project because the last 2 projects I have made, those 2 projects actually take time. So I thought let's make a basic project today. So yeah, today I will be going to make a dice game in. Okay, so I'm just done with my third project. The project was actually so easy because I just have to use that one of the JavaScript function random, and then after that the project won't take so much time. This project actually takes less than 2 hours. So yeah, let's see how this project looks. So this is my third project. I didn't work so much on the CSS part, just wanted to make this project simple one. So when I will be clicking on the player 1, the role 1, and then player 2, and when I will be clicking on output, it will show player 1 wins. So this is the game. Thank you guys for staying till the last. I actually enjoyed making this video because when you will be recording your progress, you get to know yourself more, because you never know, you can actually sit for 3 to 4 5 hours and make a project in just one sit, taking a small mini breaks of course, or you can debug a small codes, or you can find those errors by yourself. Actually, you will get to learn a lot of things just by making those projects. So yeah, start making projects. What you start, what you learn, please implement those projects. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please write on the comment section which project you like the most. I will be bringing more contents like this. For this, you guys know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe.